Because of coronavirus problem, now mask is shortage in market. So how we success to make masks in cheapest way and very few minutes. Today I am going to teach you how to make masks. Please watch full video and learn